Welcome to the Big Leaf Mahogany Growth and Yield Model. In this video, we're going to show you how to vary logging parameters over the course of your simulations. The default harvest parameters are set according to the current Brazilian forest management regulations for mahogany, but these can be varied according to your own specifications. For example, we can reset the minimum diameter parameter, which determines the commercial size of trees or the minimum diameter cutting limit of trees during logging years. And this can be reset from 0 to 100 centimeters at increments of 5 centimeters. So, although default conditions say a commercial tree is a tree larger than 60 centimeters, we could reset these logging parameters to say a commercial tree is a tree that's larger than 45 centimeters or 75 centimeters by simply dragging this red bar across the green slider. The retention rate parameter refers to how many commercial trees must be retained in the landscape after a logging event. The default condition in the Brazilian regulation states that 20% of commercial trees must be left on the landscape after on the plot after a logging event. But we could reset this to as low as 0% to as high as 100% at increments of 5%. We can also vary the minimum density. The current regulation and the default is 5 trees per 100 hectares, so you must always have 5 commercial trees per 100 hectares after a logging event. So this can be varied from either 0 trees per 100 hectares to 20 trees per 100 hectares at an increment of a whole tree. Finally, logging events can occur every 30 years according to current standards, but this can be reset to have logging occur every 5 years, every 10 years, every 20 years, anywhere from 0 to 100 at increments of 5 years. Now, over the course of your simulations, you can either vary one of these parameters at a time to compare the results of modifying only a single parameter, or you could vary multiple at a time. Remember, to return all these parameters to default conditions, you can simply press the defaults button here. It may be useful to refer to the behavior space video or the behavior space section of the user manual to learn how to conduct experiments automatically using the behavior space function of the NetLogo environment.